Hi everyone! So I have my Boxycharm for September 2018. We're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we got. Maybe. Holy cow, that's a lot harder than I remember. Let's see. Here we go. Now maybe I got it. Maybe. I just received this today, so we're going to find out what's in it. There we go. And it says, "Hello, Charmer." And it comes in that fancy box again. This is just our little thing that tells you what's in here. I'm not going to look at that yet. All right, this is my box. So it looks like we have brushes. I'm not sure who they're by. I can't really read that. I got the Laura Geller palette, or wow, blush. That's really pretty. I'm excited. In Tropic Hues, I got the Lorac Matte Lip Color. Ooh, not sure how this is gonna go. This is in Orchard. And of course you can't open it. Whoa. That's interesting. Oh, I like that. That's not bad. It's a lot more purple than I thought, but it's not purple on your hand. That's cool. And then we got Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. It doesn't say whether it's waterproof or not. It says to shake it up. Let's see what this looks like. It's got a little roller ball on it. That's crazy. It goes on pretty neat. And last but not least, the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. That palette is really pretty. Let's see. I'm going to use my arm. A little. So that's the top three. Starting with this one, it's Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, and Break Free. Need some makeup remover wipes. Ew. And it looks like this one's Dark Side. Hide and Seek is pretty light on my skin. Hide and Seek is this one. And then Clutch is that one, and Flip Out. And let's see. I'm gonna have to move up further or something. Whoa. That one's I Spy, which is really pretty on. It doesn't do it justice in this camera. Silver Spoon, which is really silver, but it's really pretty. It's a little patchy, I guess. Swoop. And then we have After Midnight. And the last one is All Nighter, and that's like a black all nighter. That's pretty neat, and it's got a mirror. Sorry, I don't want to show you my messy house. It's got a mirror, and it's a very pretty palette. I really like that. Swatched it all. So that's awesome. I like the lighter shades, or the darker shades, because I don't wear a whole lot of eyeshadow. Wow. Eyeshadow, but I'm excited to play with this one. And I got some brushes to go with it, which will be nice to use and play with. I'm excited. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and is your favorite? There's all these. So far, I'm loving this box. So this is a good box. Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Jack Skellington. He's amazing. Bye.